Good morning, everybody. Good morning. Look at this price action. What? Check it out. AMC ripping up over the $14 mark as we speak. The battle has begun. Check it out, guys. Good morning. Good morning. Good morning. Coffee chat in the house with your girl Nora, the Stock Explorer. What's up? What's up? What's up? What's up? It's not a dead cat. What? Yo, not a dead cat. It's not a dead cat. It's not a dead cat, not a dead freaking cat. Whoa! What's up, Rasta Stocks? Good morning, man. What a beautiful morning. Hope you guys got in it, because she's looking beautiful this morning. Let's keep going. We're above the $14 mark, sitting at 14 even now. The battle is on. The battle is on. Guys, good morning. How is everybody? Coffee chat with Nora, Stock Explorer. Guys, don't forget to smash the like button so other people that are online can see the morning chat. Sorry for the minute or two of technical difficulties. I had screen within a screen, had a lot of, stuff up there that wasn't supposed to be. Hopefully you guys can see the screen. Everything is clear. How's everybody doing? How's everybody doing? Slowly buying the dips. I hear you, man. It dipped a couple times yesterday. We had the Bears in control yesterday morning, right? So we had a couple opportunities for people to get in. Got a lot of new investors. And you got a lot of big dog investors investing in this. Because this is just the best thing going this week, right, guys? This is just an incredible opportunity. I'm very interested to see everybody make at least a few tendies on this, right? As long as you don't get carried away, you guys should be very happy with your investment as of so far. I was looking at the charts last night and I bought more shares. Awesome, man. If everybody just bought a couple more shares on Monday, I think that's what we're seeing right now, right? And I'm not giving financial advice, of course, but I think that is what we're seeing right now. We're seeing people get in. It's starting to really take off. People are finding out about this. I have some shares in Robinhood, and I have some shares in my Webull. I was even thinking of adding this to the new account challenge. The only danger really I could see that's out there, which is I'll just be speculating, would be if they either did a share offering or they did some sort of stock split. But after listening to the CEO, it did not sound as though he was going to try to hurt anybody, but at the end of the day, CEOs are they have to look out for the best interests of the company and to keep the company thriving. So, that is always a chance out there, but on the short term, I don't see that happening. On the short term, my personal opinion, again, this is not financial advice, but on the short term, I think you can ride some really nice short-term price action, especially if you're a day trader. This is a fantastic opportunity. This thing could just go to unexpected levels today or the rest of the week, right? We don't know what day it's really going to take off, but of course that is always a possibility. Today might be the day, guys. Let's hope and pray today's the day, because I do have one call option, and I would like to sell that and lock in some profits on that call option. So hopefully I can do that today. I'll be very, very happy if I can go ahead and do that. And I wish you guys all the best luck out there. What else is everybody looking at? Rasta Stock says, I told people to check out AMC and they didn't listen. Yeah. I had a couple that did, but not everybody did. I mean, even the novice investor could make money on this week and last week, guys. If you just bought shares last week, you'd be straight right now. You could, be paying a bill or two off with the gains. There's only so much you can do. You can bring a horse to water, as they say, right? But yeah, I try to be a good friend. And matter of fact, I bought a couple shares for a friend of mine. I just sent them the money. I'm like, listen, buy a couple AMC shares. Just, because his birthday's coming up. I said, just go ahead and do that. Happy birthday. And I think this is going to end up being a nice birthday present. Depends if he sells or when he sells, but that's up to him. But anyway, I thought that would be a nice little birthday present for him. I try to look out, guys. And I always give back. When I made a lot on Dogecoin the first time it ripped, I donated $50 to pet helpers. I thought that was fitting because it's Dogecoin. Got to do something for the dogs. And I sent that into charity because I promised that I would do that if I made money on Doge, which I have a couple times now with some swing trades. So yeah, I gave back, and it's always good to share your blessings. If you guys are making some money, share that with somebody who needs it, right? Everybody knows somebody that needs a little bit of help, or maybe just a little bit of encouragement. Sometimes you don't even need to help somebody with money, right? Just encourage them, teach them a few things that that you're learning about the finances, and help get them on track. But look at that. We're at 14.15. That's some beautiful price action. Guys, this is looking like it's going to be a great morning. I hope I am not wrong. Darren, a shareholder bond. Welcome in, Darren. What do you think on the general markets? I don't trust them, Darren. Absolutely not. I'm not buying any stocks. I'm not building out any of my positions. I am holding most of the positions I have. However, I don't trust it. I actually sold some of my bio-nanogenomics yesterday. I just wanted to take profits on a couple things that I had made profit on, because if and when, and I hope it doesn't happen, but if we are in a bubble and that bubble pops, I'd rather lock in profits while I have the chance to do so, right? And I don't want to be like a doom and gloom kind of person, but I just want to be practical. When I don't know, a few things that happened in the news kind of piqued my spidey senses. When you have billionaires getting divorces, you have to stop and think to yourself, why? Okay, either the market is going to take a turn and they are doing this for financial reasons, right? or they're involved in something illegal that they don't want to drag the other party into, okay? And then they're just gonna, I'm sure there's a lot of money moving around. I don't know what they're involved in, but it's seeming awful suspect that the Gates have divorced suddenly. I don't know. That puts the spidey senses on high alert, right? Makes you wonder. There's always more to the story. There's always more going on. And I don't ever want to talk bad about anybody on my channel. I try to keep it upbeat and positive. But as far as the market is looking, they don't care about retail investors. I do know that is a fact. So you have to kind of constantly be a step ahead if you can, and always have that dry powder on hand, right? Always have that money, that 15 to 20. I would have whatever you feel comfortable with as far as money on the side. I would put even more, because there's something about it that just does not seem right. I still think there's a lot more down on the way. AMC is a nice, AMC could be a huge distraction. That is a perfect another perfect point. I don't even want to talk about the stuff that some of these millionaires and billionaires do behind closed doors, right? But some of this stuff might come to light, and it may be quite shocking. Hope you don't get let down by your heroes out there, but just know that a lot of these stocks are very, very overvalued. The stock market has been driven on greed for quite some time. So if you want to trim some of the positions that you have, or scale out of a bit on some of the more speculative stocks that you do have profits on, and that would even include AMC, right, guys? Don't let your optimism for AMC overtake your sense of common sense, right? Okay, definitely take some profits as you go. If you get greedy with it, you're gonna risk the chance of being that person that gets left holding the bag, and you don't want that. So sometimes you gotta be like a little bit ahead of the crowd and sell before the rest of the crowd thinks about selling, because once they start doing these massive sell, it's going to be a avalanche, right? And the brokers, the apps, the brokers, they're gonna have a stroke, right? They're gonna freeze. It's gonna be a huge mess. So I know Trey advised to take profits on the way down. I advise the opposite. I would take some profits on the way up, because you're not gonna have the servers bogged down at that point, hopefully. On the way down, it's going to be a whole nother story. It's going to be a dog-eat-dog battle, okay? And in order to sell your shares, you have to have someone willing to buy them at the price you're selling them at. And if everyone's selling and there's no buyers, well, now you see the problem. Right now, we have a lot of buyers. And I don't think this is anywhere near where it could go. But you could see this would be the opportune time to take profits on the way up. But I wish everybody luck, whatever your strategy is. I just hope you have a good broker that works with you and actually functions when you hit sell, and you don't have a lot of problems with the server freezing up and things of that nature. Just something to think about. Wow, look at that green soldier. Holy smoke. Man, this is looking nice, guys. This is looking really nice. My option's up $15. I don't want to sell it just quite yet. I want to give it a chance to do what it do. But Yeah, the AMC 1250 call option. I'm up $15. So I'd like to let that ride out. What's everybody else looking at? I didn't want to live stream for too much either. I just want to kind of live stream this early morning price action. She has got a massive amount of volume pouring in. Unbelievable. Massive amount of volume pouring in. A lot of people, a lot of new investors getting in on this. This might be the first stock they ever buy in their portfolio, right? Aside from the share of Levi's or Cleveland Cliffs or whatever they give you as the free stock. I got Cleveland Cliffs back last year. And that actually turned out to be good because that's raw materials for the making the iron which they need for infrastructure. So that would have been a good little stock to hold. Who would have thunk it? Who would have thunk it? Wow, look at that big red can. A lot of people probably cashing out some call options, right? I'd like to make between 50 and 100 on my call. And I'll be happy with that. I'm not gonna I'm not gonna sit on it that long. But I think today we got a little room to run, man. If we get over, what did they say? If we get over 1450, we're gonna be off to the races, guys. We are gonna be off to the races if we hit 1450 and above. This thing is gonna really start popping off. So let's see if we can get there. Let's see if we could get there. Rasta, you still on? What else are you guys looking at? I don't trust the market, so I'm not buying anything right now. I'm just doing my AMC thing. That's all I got popping this week. That's all I got going on. And for the new account challenge, of course, I didn't put in 100 last week. So this week I'll put in 200. I was tempted to buy another share of Disney because it is at such a fantastic price, but I don't want to talk about Disney 3 weeks in a row. Even though that is a good pick, I may put that towards something else. Real happy to have you guys on. If you're not subscribed, please subscribe. Please hit that subscribe button to help your girl out. Hey, Brian, we got Brian Roshetsky. He flies the drone out there in beautiful Austin, Texas at the Tesla Gigafactory. Really awesome drone footage, live drone footage every single day. Got Brian out there working hard, working towards getting that Cybertruck. Really excited for you. I would love to be out there flying a drone out there with you guys. It's like that would be like a dream adventure for me. Definitely looking forward to getting a drone soon. Gonna spend some AMC tendies maybe on getting myself a nice drone because that's just something I want to get it into. There's some really cool drones. I tried to order there's a new drone on Roto Riot's website called the Baby Shark. It's really cool little drone, Brian. Not sure if you saw the Baby Shark. And they put a video of the Baby Shark flying around on the Rotor Riot YouTube channel. If you look yesterday, they posted a video, and they're flying the baby shark around and doing some fancy flying. There was one of the famous drone pilots on there. I think his name is Cricket. Not sure. I'm just starting to get it, sort of learn the who's who and the what's what in the drone sector, but yeah, it's always sold out, so they're going to email me when the Baby Shark is available again, and it sells out very quickly. So hopefully I'll catch that email in time and be able to grab a Baby Shark. but I would like to maybe get the DJI Mavic Air or Mavic Mini, something. I mean, I can always get that too to learn, and then get the little baby shark for like just for something for fun, right? It does all that acrobatics, and it's a quad. It's got the enclosed blades in the circular like blade guards, but it's got a small like size too. It's really cute. Anyway, thank you, Brian, for stopping in. Love watching your drone videos. Makes me feel like I'm out there. It's really cool to see all that drone footage of the factory as it's being built. And he does fantastic video editing as well. If you guys want to check out his channel, it's Brian Roshetsky, just like it is in the chat here, and you will find his channel. Ryan Carr, I've got $5 March 21st calls for APTO. Okay. I'm not too familiar. What is that? Tell me more about that. APT, that might be something I'll look into. APTO. Let's take a look. I'll look, APTO is Aptos. Oh man, you're gonna print, because Aptos Biosciences is sitting at $5.12, and she's moving up. She's up 4% on the day already. You're gonna print, and it's showing 100% buy rating. I wonder. That's very interesting. Aptos is a clinical stage oncology company which engages in the discovery, research, and development of anti-cancer therapies. Fantastic. I like that. Who wouldn't want to support that, right? Including the APTO 253 small molecule. That's fascinating. I love biotech and the genomic space, Ryan. If you see, I did a video on CRISPR, and of course I have some shares of Editas, which they do the same sort of thing, the gene editing. But yeah, it's really fascinating stuff. A lot of people are very hesitant to invest in biotech because there are so many, and many of them don't rise, to the top. But this type of work is important. It's important to do this type of research, because at the end of the day, we have to do what's best for humanity. And cancer is a horrible burden for many families. So yeah, that is very important work that they are doing. Thanks for the tip. Thank you. I'm going to put that on the watch list. She's looking nice today, that's for sure. Up 4%, and it's still climbing. That's awesome. We got AMC. There's some selling pressure coming in. We're at 1370 right now. We're at 1370, so trying to fight its way back up to the $14 mark. Come on, Gorilla Gang, let's go. No, I haven't heard of that, Ryan. I'll have to look that up. Nope. Also holding, yeah, that's probably how I would go. I would grab the shares. Because I'm not really trusting options right now, because the market's like one day where everything's green, the next day everything's red. And that, as you know, that just kills options. That just kills them. Made $80 in 2 months. Well, that is the beautiful thing about trading stocks. It's funny because there's like a promotion at work. There's a position open at work, which is like the next level up, but it's only $1 more an hour. And I'm thinking, I make way more than that trading stocks. Not even gonna apply because I do this in the morning and then I go to work in the afternoon and I'm good. I'm happy, you know, because of course with a management position, of course, comes with more responsibility, more phone calls, more headaches, right? I can sit here in my car, I can sit on my couch, I can trade some stocks. Nobody's blowing my phone up. Life is good, right? You got to look at your quality of life. And this trading stocks, investing, you can do it from anywhere in the world. It's just a beautiful thing. I really, really enjoy it. Oh, I got you. I'll look that up too. I haven't heard of it. Huh, interesting. Thanks for joining the live stream, Ryan. I have not seen you on the live yet. Appreciate that. Trying to get more and more people to hop on. I'm trying to live stream a couple mornings. I usually come on between 8:30 and 9:30. I'll pop on here and we'll look at some different charts. How's Tesla looking this morning, guys? Hey, if you're still on, Ryan, how's Tesla looking? I'll look for you guys. I have 4 shares of Tesla, but I bought it way on the high end, unfortunately. I did not get into Tesla early. So, but I don't look at it like I'm stuck or I'm bag holding. I don't look at Tesla in that way. I'm happy to hold the shares because I know they are the future. It's sitting at 578. We got Tesla at 578. Looks like it's having a nice morning. Hopefully that was the bottom because we definitely don't want to see Tesla slide under the $500 range, right? Nobody wants to see that. We got AMC battling in the upper $13 dollar range. It's the trading has slowed down a bit. It's battling back and forth here between 1380 and 1390. Opened at 1389, so it looks okay. Looks like we're back down to where it opened at. It's gonna be interesting. I heard Citadel bought some shares, which is very kind of funny. But why wouldn't they? If you might as well have something on the other side of the fence, right? If you're getting slammed with the shorts, you might as well jump on the other side and grab some calls or some puts or something to try to get that balanced out, because that was a disaster. We're putting that pressure on them, baby. The Gorilla Gang is putting that pressure. It's coming down hard. Guys, I'm going to finish this live stream up. It's almost 10:15. Just wanted to hop on, say good morning to my friends. Thanks for tuning in. Check out Brian Roshetsky's channel if you haven't checked it out. Check out the video I did. I did a video showcasing his drone footage. I really love Tesla, and I'm loving AMC too, baby. Guys, I hope you guys make money with this. She's battling back up to 14. Hopefully we can stay above 14 today. If not, this week is still looking very bullish, and I have a lot of faith. Guys, have a great morning, and I will see you in the next live. Peace.